Mutations. A mutation is defined as permanent change in DNA sequence. There are three types of mutation: substitution mutation, insertion mutation, and deletion mutation. Substitution mutations, also known as point mutation. These are substitution of one nucleotide for another nucleotide at the same site. Substitution mutations do not change the total number of nucleotides in a DNA sequence. There are two types of substitutions: transition and transversion. A transition involves substitution of a like nucleotide, for example, a purine for another purine or a pyrimidine for another pyrimidine. Transversion involves substitution of an unlike nucleotide, for example, a purine for a pyrimidine or a pyrimidine for a purine. Four outcomes of substitution mutation: silent mutation, missense mutation, nonsense mutation, and splice site mutation. Silent mutation do not change the amino acid, usually occur at the third position of the codon. However, they can on occasion occur at the first position as well. For example, GGC encodes glycine. If the third nucleotide is mutated to G, the codon will now be GGG, which is also encodes glycine. Missense mutations change the codon from that of one amino acid to another. These most commonly occur at the first and second position in the codon, although they occasionally occur at the third position as well. The functional consequence of a missense mutation depends in part on the specific amino acid change. Conservative mutation converts the encoded amino acid to another with similar properties. For example, CUU encodes leucine, an aliphatic amino acid. If the first nucleotide is mutated to G, the codon will now be GUU, which encodes valine. Valine is also aliphatic. So the consequence for protein function are predicted to be minor. Non-conservative mutation converts the encoded amino acid to another with different properties. For example, AGA encodes arginine, a positively charged amino acid. If the second nucleotide is mutated to U, the codon will now be AUA, which encodes isoleucine. Since isoleucine is aliphatic, not charged, this mutation is predicted to have a more significant effect on protein function. Nonsense mutations change an amino acid encoding codon to a stop codon. For example, UGU encodes cysteine. If the third nucleotide is mutated to A, the codon will now be UGA, a stop codon. It alters the protein structure. Processing of hnRNA to form mRNA requires the removal of introns. The spliceosome recognizes specific sequences at the beginning and end of each intron. Thus, mutation of the sites in the corresponding DNA could block intron splicing and prevent the formation of the proper mRNA. This could significantly reduce gene expression. If the insertion is a multiple of 3 nucleotides, this simply adds amino acid to the protein. For example, the following polypeptide is 1 amino acid longer, but there are no other changes. If the insertion is not a multiple of 3, but some other number of nucleotides, there is a shift in the reading frame such that there is a change in the coded amino acids in the 3' direction immediately following the mutation. Note that the reading frame shifts such that the encoded amino acid sequence downstream of the mutation is completely altered. This type of insertion mutation is known as a frame shift mutation. Generally has a significant effect on protein function. Frame shift very often create new stop codons. Note that the reading frame shifts creating a stop codon 2 codons down from the mutation. This would result in a truncated protein. This generally has a significant effect on protein function. Deletion mutations involve deletion of one or more nucleotides from a sequence, shortening the chromosome. Deletions have the same potential consequences as insertion mutations. A deletion, that is some multiple of 3 nucleotides, will shorten the protein by removal of one or more amino acids but will not alter the reading frame. A deletion of any other number of nucleotides will shift the frame, changing the encoded amino acid sequence downstream of the mutation.